I have many old LED light bulbs in here and some of them not working anymore. To fix them, I have to test every single LED one by another, which takes a lot of time. Since they are connected together in series, it was easier to test a bunch of them together at the same time. But the maximum voltage of the diode test function of the multimeter is 3 or 4 volt only, so you can't test many LEDs at the same time. There are LED testers in the markets with voltage range from 0 volt to 300 volts, but I don't like them because you have to connect them directly to the mains voltage. So I decided to make my own rechargeable LED tester with high voltage. I used a lithium battery with a charging circuit. This boost converter steps up the voltage from 3.7 volt to 5 volt. This part of the circuit is a high voltage boost converter. When the MOSFET is switched on, it connects the inductor to the 5 volts, so the inductor stores the energy inside. When the MOSFET is switched off, the inductor releases its energy inside the capacitor with high voltage through the diode. This oscillator switched on and off the MOSFET with a frequency of 13 kHz. So now we have high voltage across this capacitor, but you can't connect it directly to the LED under the test, because LEDs are constant current devices. So I used this IC to limit the current to 10 mA. And this voltmeter shows you the voltage across the LED. I designed the PCB and I decided to order it from a new company called Next PCB. First you have to upload the Gerber file. You can find it below in the description. Insert the size of the PCB, the quantity that you need, and the color. Then click on Continue. Insert your address and finish the payment. And after a few weeks, I received it. The packaging is so good. I ordered 5, but I got 6. That's so generous. The quality of the PCBs are so good. After soldering the components, it's time to test. For the first time using this circuit, you have to remove the IC and preset the voltage of the boost converter, because the IC can get damaged if the voltage accidentally set to more than 16 or 18 volts. 5.3 is fine. So as you can see, the output voltage is more than 150 volts. But you can make it even higher by increasing the input voltage. The maximum voltage of this voltmeter is 200 volts, so I'm not going close to that limit to avoid damage. It also has current measurement, but I didn't use that, because it is not designed to measure very low current like 10 mA. I set the output voltage to almost 160 volts. See what happened when I connect this tiny LED to the tester. Since the current is constant, the voltage suddenly drops to the forward voltage of the LED. So it's not only tested, but also gives you the exact forward voltage. And of course, different colors have different voltages. If you connect the LED in reverse bias, it gets damaged. So now instead of testing only one LED, I can test a bunch of them together in series. That saved my time. This is a neon lamp. As you can see, the voltage drop is more than 50 volts. It's so interesting that only one electrode lights up, the one that's connected to the negative terminal. I have a bunch of Zener diodes in here with different voltages. Let's test this one, which is 20 volts. If you connect it forward bias, it acts like a normal diode with 0.7 volt voltage drop. But in reverse bias, the voltage drop is 20 volts. This one is 5.6. You can set the output current using this resistor. So according to this formula, 120 ohm resistor creates 10 milliamps of current. To prove that, I connect the output to 1 kilo ohm resistor. According to Ohm's law, the voltage drop must be 10 volts. And this is what I got, very close to 10 volts. The inductor that I used is 2 millihenry, but you can try different one with different frequency. This capacitor here is not necessary. Sometimes it damages the IC by create higher voltage on the output than the input when you switched off the circuit. These connectors designed for banana plugs, but you can use them with multimeter probes by removing this plastic part. You can charge this tester by USB cable. The blue light means fully charged. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.